It's no secret that these days, saving money is more important than ever. So is staying healthy. So when it comes to inexpensive and especially natural and holistic remedies for our health and home, it's safe to say that most, if not all of us, are looking to be as thrifty and health conscious as possible. Now, apple cider vinegar is incredibly versatile. It has an abundance of uses both inside and outside of the home. So in this video, we're going to go over 5 surprising ways to use apple cider vinegar. Number 5, as a cleaning agent. 1 bottle of apple cider vinegar goes a long way when it comes to cleaning your home. It's great for cleaning windows, mirrors, and other surfaces made of glass or plastic. To use it, simply add a few tablespoons of vinegar to your bucket of warm water and work the solution into the surface. Number 4, in the garden. Apple cider vinegar can help deter common pests from invading your garden. Deer, raccoons, and rodents seem to hate the smell of vinegar. So if this is an issue for you, consider soaking a few rags in apple cider vinegar and place them around your garden. Repeat this process after several days or a week to make sure it stays effective. 3, as a bug trap. Tired of those pesky little gnats flying in your face and in your food? Mix about a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar and a few drops of dish soap in a small jar or container. Fasten it tightly with some plastic wrap or a lid and poke some smaller holes in the top. Place this in an area where you see the most amount of bug activity and watch the gnats, flies, and fruit flies get trapped in the liquid. 2, to remove warts. Make a solution mixing 1 part warm water with 2 parts apple cider vinegar. Soak a cotton ball and apply it to the wart. Keep this covered with a Band-Aid and continue to do this nightly until the wart falls off. Number 1, bug bites. Yep, we've got bugs on the list again. Now, I can personally state that apple cider vinegar works beautifully for bug bites. Each time I've been bitten or stung by either a mosquito or red ant, I'd apply a dab of apple cider vinegar to the affected area and it tends to go away by the next day. That's been my experience so far, and I'm grateful that it has worked this way for me. You can try this for yourself, either using it at full strength or using a 1-to-1 ratio of apple cider vinegar and water. I've used it full strength, but you can decide for yourself how you'd prefer to try this out. I'm not the only one who says this works either. There are plenty of people out there raving about how apple cider vinegar has worked wonders for their bug bites as well. It's probably one of my favorite uses for this, so if you wind up with a bug bite, try it out and see how it works for you. So in conclusion, apple cider vinegar is a versatile and affordable product that can be used in numerous ways. It's a great natural cleaner and can be used to make a variety of home remedies. By using apple cider vinegar, you can save money and keep your home healthy and clean. So what are your favorite ways to use apple cider vinegar? Let us know in the comments section. We're glad you joined us today, and thanks for watching.